Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this is from CooHaul. They did contact me and asked if I wanted to review their products, and I think I've seen them before, like I think on K Diamond Paints. So I was like, okay, sure. Okay, so the unique thing about CooHaul in the budget-friendly diamond painting sites is most of their diamond paintings you can get in different sizes. So let's do this one first, just because it looks smaller. So while I'm showing you one size, you can. I noticed most of their diamond paintings you could get in 4 different sizes. So. Oh. Okay, so there's the toolkit. It looks like just basic toolkit. The drills do look like they come in the baggies. They're not numbered those right the way I like, because all they have is one, I'm guessing, through whatever. So it does make kitting up when all it has is 1 through whatever a little bit harder, but it's doable, and they're in the baggies. So this is the first one I got. It's a long, skinny one. I think this diamond painting haul I got was more like inspirational words. So this is probably like a scene from The Lion King when Simba was all sad. Or this was like when Nala, was that her name? Found him, and he was with Timon and Pumbaa, and she's like, you have to go be the king again, and he's like, no, I don't know. I'm making this up now. But yeah, so this is when like Simba's thinking about his father, and then the father's like, Simba, you have forgotten me. You have forgotten who you are, and so remember who you. I don't know. I'm probably completely massacring the quote, but yeah, it has remember who you are. I'm not sure if this is gonna show up, but this writing looks really good. Like the remember, I might have to change the middle writing to a different color just so that it'll be able to see it, because it's kind of white on white background, but maybe the drills are a lot darker than I think. But yeah, so it's this one here. I'm gonna move you back down so you can see the drill field. So there looks like there's 24 colors in this, and they're all in letters. Yeah. And there are DMCs, and the drill field, it does look like this is printed the way where the symbols are in the circles, which I really like this new way of printing the rounds. I think you just get a better symbol, like you just get a better image at the end. So this is supposed to be a 30 by 60 here. I'm going to measure it. So it is 25 by 54, it looks like. Or like more 54 and a half after I flattened it. So yeah, the sizes are canvas size, but from this one, there were 4 different sizes you could get on the site, from 20 by 40 to as big as 35 by 70. Now that's canvas size, so take out 5 centimeters usually from the dimensions, and you should get the dimensions of the picture. And this one that was 30 by 60 is $12.99 on their site, and then the prices varied from $7.99 to $15.99 depending on the size you got. So yeah, I think I really do like that there is a variation of sizes you could choose from. So it also makes me think that it's more one of those ones where they won't they'll make the diamond painting when you order it. I don't know. When there's multiple sizes, I think that. Okay, I was gonna show you the drills, but I think I'm just gonna do inventory after the video if I notice there's anything wrong with it. So yeah, that is the name of the canvas. If there's anything wrong with it, I'll add it to the end of the video. But yeah, I'm not gonna take this out. It's just so nicely packed in here, and there's just no way I'm gonna be able to put this away. Ooh, I love the pinks in this one. I got this mainly because I just like the color. I'm a big fan of choosing diamond paintings because of color. So yeah, there's the first item. Let me open the next one. Let's see. So these are both rounds. Okay. So this next one. Oh, there's a random rubber band. I do like the canvas on this. It does seem like it would just, I don't know if I even need to do all of this unrolling. So it looks like it's the same toolkit. Oh, and then there it is. It's this image here. Like I said, I think on this unboxing I went for inspirational quotes. It does look like the drills are in the baggies again with just, okay, so now this one, see the previous one, the drills just had like this, the lead numbers in the red circles. While this one, it looks like they kind of have the price stickers. Oh wait, no, there's number 1 and that's 13. Oh, okay, so maybe it's because this number 1 is probably the black and it's the background and they had to use the price sticker on there. So yeah, these are round 2. Oops. So I'm just flattening out the plastic so hopefully you can see the image better with my straightener tool. I actually, like, in the beginning of my diamond painting career, I did end up buying one of these because I thought I needed it to straighten. But now I'm like, I have so many of these because I just accumulate them from, like, you buy storage and then the storage comes with it. I don't know. But yeah, here it is. This one is this, I believe there are angels among us. I actually think the writing looks really good on this. I was very reluctant to buy diamond paintings with words just because I've seen some that did not turn out, but I think this will turn out. I think they did a very good job to make sure that the writing will turn out. And yeah, I think yeah, there's enough of a contrast that I think the writing. So this is supposed to be a 45 by 45. I'm guessing it's a 40 by 40 if it's anything like the last one. So this is about a 39.5 by, this side is more 40. So yeah. So this one has 23 colors. They're all letters, my favorite kind of symbols. And this is also printed the way where the symbols are in the circles. And I really do like that, this new way of printing round drills. So yeah, I think, did I show you the symbol quality? I think it's pretty good. The W is not the clearest, but it's obvious it's a W. Can you see the main background is W? It's not the clearest, but it's obvious it's a W, so I don't think that will be a problem. I just really like how clear the words look. I mean, sure, it looks clear right now, and we won't really know how well this will turn out until, you know, you've finished diamond painting it, but unless you do have that, you won't really know. So this diamond painting is this size, the 45 by 45, is also $12.99, and they have 4 different sizes, 30 by 30 being the smallest, and then they go up to 50 by 50, and the prices range from $7.99 to $15.99. So it looks like it's the same price range as the previous one. So yeah, here is the second image. I think this looks really good. I don't know which, I do want to complete one of these soon. So here's the first one, in case you don't remember. I do want to complete one of these soon. So just because I want to try them out and see how, because, you know, a product review is not complete until you actually complete the diamond painting, right? So I will probably do one of these soon. I don't know. I kind of like both of them. I mean, there's a reason, right? I chose both of them. I think I'm leaning towards doing the dragonfly one. So I'll probably kit this up soon, so look out for it. But yeah, I will do the drill inventory after this video, and if there is any issues, I will add something to the end. But otherwise, look out for the kitting up of this. So I was actually able to finish this and before the unboxing video got posted, so I thought I'd just add the finish to the end. In fact, the kitting up of this will not actually be till Friday, so but I am kitting up 2 diamond paintings in that video, so the other one I have not even started, so there'll still be something new to see. I'm not kitting up. So yeah, here is the original image of this diamond painting, and like this unboxing, it is from CooHaul. It was a 40 by 40. It was poured glue with round drills that had DMC under 23 colors in all. This took me 3 days to complete, and I did do some like replacements. I blinged up the writing, and I forgot to go get my drills, but yeah, I did bling up the writing. Some of the symbols were not the clearest, like I showed in the unboxing, but everything you could tell what it is, but it was just a little not clear, and I also almost ran out of color. So yeah, here it is. Isn't it? Like, I think this actually turned out really, really good. It's really, really sparkly. I'm not sure if you'll get how sparkly this is. There is a lot of 310 in this, so I think that's the reason I was able to get through this really quickly, because there was so much 310. I ended up deciding I usually diamond paint my diamond paintings in sections, but this I actually ended up diamond painting like by color almost. Like, I ended up doing all the 310 first, and then I diamond painted the writing second, and then after that I just filled in everything else. So I did diamond paint this a little bit different than I normally do, but there is just so much 310 in this that I just was like, you know what, let's just do all the 310 first. So I did end up using white ABs for the white writing. I'm not sure if it'll convey on screen. Maybe there's just too much light. I'm gonna turn off my one light here. Maybe you'll be able to see better that this is white ABs, the white writing here. I used white ABs for them. And then for the angels here, I end up using rhinestones. Not sure if you could tell on camera. It looks like rhinestones. It's very sparkly. This is a very, very sparkly, like, it ended up being very, very sparkly, and I'm actually very happy at how like what I did to bling this up. So the original angels, like the color scheme of it was very similar to this swoosh here, like this. So this is the normal, like everything else is the drills that they charted. So if I didn't bling up the angels here, it would have been a similar color scheme as this swoosh here. So it is a little bit less white than the original image. So the original image had the top of the writing be more of a white, but I just ended up using 2 different, like a gradient of rhinestones. I ended up like having to change one of my colors a little bit because I ran out of my rhinestones. So I'm just using leftover rhinestones from previous kits. So you do sometimes have to compromise which colors you use, but I think I'm very happy with how I charted this with the rhinestones, and it looks really, really good. Like I'm very happy with this result here. I did almost run out of one color, which was weird. Like, do you see how few I have left of this color? Which is weird because I had so much of everything else. Like, look at all the 310 I have left. There's just so much 310 left. I mean, like, most of my other colors, I had tons left. So I just thought it was weird that I ran out of this one. So I'm wondering if there was just more of a, they didn't, like, because these were in individual bags, I think. So I think they just didn't fill this one up correctly. But yeah, otherwise I had tons of everything left. And considering that a majority of this was 310s, I thought the drill quality of the 310s was not horrible. Like usually usually 310s you expect like really horrible quality drills, but I actually thought these were relatively decent, especially for a budget friendly site. I thought the 310 quality was actually relatively decent, and then the rest of the drills I thought were fine. So I don't usually have problems with round drills. Like you could usually get away a little bit with a little bit of bad round drill quality, especially with black and dark colors. But I actually thought with all the blacks I did, this was actually a relatively decent quality black drills. But yeah, no, here it is. It's done. I just decided to add this to the video. The kitting up of this will be on Friday, along with another diamond painting that I'm kitting up in the same video. I've been doing two kitting ups a video, two diamond painting kitting ups at the same time if I feel like it's going to be a quick kitting up. But yeah, here is the final picture. So thank you to CooHaul for sending me these items for the review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!